Everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great and studying well. And welcome back to the day 8 of 30 Days English Improvement Challenge series. And yeah, it's been a 7 days that I've been into this challenge. And yeah, it was a great experience. Before going to the topic, let me give you an explanation like what are the things that I'm doing to improve my English communication and both grammatical and verbal. Yeah, and that I always used to start my day while reading any book, which I'm currently reading The Secret novel. And after reading, I also practice some pencil technique for 10 minutes a day without any fail, guys. And I'm also like practicing tongue twisters. And recently I came across shadowing method, like for imitating the person we admire, the way they used to pronounce, the way they used to talk, and take some gap between their communication and their speech. So I've tried a video of Palki Sharma ma'am's. So soon I'm going to upload that video. And yeah, these are the things I'm working on communication, like working on to improve communication. And yeah, I always used to work on grammar separately. Vocabulary I always used to revise, and reading comprehension though mandatory for me, because without English I cannot pass my day, guys. Actually, even if I felt bad, I can keep aside all that reasoning and quants, but I can go with the whole day with the English related topics and all. I don't know why, but nowadays I am working on more in English. And yeah, today's my topic on talk is what makes a great leader. Yeah, let me take a deep breath. People used to consider a great leader should have patience to listen what others are trying to convey. Take as much as time and listen what others saying. After listening, do not directly judge or do not directly give the solution. But before giving the solution, you have to think and analyze what they are trying to say, whether I understood or not, and what is the reason behind that. You have to analyze that, then respond. This is the very first quality a leader should have, what I personally believe. Yeah, we've been growing as I'm a hostler since a childhood, have been studied in a hostel, and I know how it feels that in every phase of our life there used to be a guardian or a tuition teacher, whomever, the class leader, whomever. But we've been felt there would be a sometimes where we felt like, yeah, what type of mentor, like what type of leader she is, what type of judgments they are passing. They don't listen to us. They are like giving, passing the comments what they have blindly taught by someone else, like that situations we might have faced. So in that case, a leader should be a careful listener and analyzer. Then after analyzing the situation or the problem or the circumstances, they should have to respond on that. And a leader should be always stand, no matter how hard may be the situation, one should always stand with the truth. It's and a leader shouldn't be a biased, like one should not be show the biasedness, like whether the person making mistake, whether it's a family member, friend, or the outsider, they have to treat everyone in the same situation. They have to punish or they have to reward based on their like what they have given based on their results, or what they have done action based on their actions. Yeah, so these qualities, what I personally believe, makes a good leader. A leader should be a listener, analyzer, and then have to respond. And one should stand with the truth, no matter how hard may be the situation, no matter how close may be the other person, how distant may be the other person. One should always stand with the truth. And yeah, no biased, no partiality, you can say. And these are the things what makes a real or good leader. And I hope I can be a good leader. As and how many of you have been a class leader since your childhood? Do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I was the class leader during my school. And recently, when I went to Rajasthan for 2 months, I say a bank training, I was the class leader, or whatever. Me and my colleague or co-student, he's Dishant. Me and Dishant are class leaders. So yeah, but I've enjoyed the phase of 2 months a lot. And if you have any queries regarding banking preparation, do ask me. And from today onwards, I'll start coming on the live at 9 p.m. No matter what, I'll be the consistent towards the live on YouTube. And it's been a few days I am inconsistent towards live streams, but I'll try my best to attend the lives also. And yeah, guys, whatever I challenged with you all for 30 days, I am personally working on that. So if you haven't started anything, or haven't started any skill, whatever, maybe the education, personality development, whatever, do start, because it's third month, first day, you have much more time. Please do start. And if you give 10 more months to a skill, it will turn out to be an outstanding thing in your life. So invest your time in a right way and right place. So have a great time, stay consistent, do learn a new skill, because of 2026 is all about learning a new skill. Keep studying, stay consistent, because consistency is the key, guys. Have a great time. Bye.